Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. You are having your session 1 of week 2 for the month of June via Nurture International School's online support system. Today we are going to talk about subject and predicate. Now before starting that, let's have a quick look at sentence. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. For example, the mischievous lion smiled as the people on the safari ran for their lives. So over here you can see why this is a sentence, because it is expressing a complete thought, and it has a subject lion and it has a verb ran along with their other parts. So it is expressing a complete thought. Now let's look at the parts of a sentence. Every complete sentence is made up of two parts, that is, subject and a predicate. Now let's see what the subject and predicate actually are. Subject tells us who or what the sentence is about, and subject usually contains a noun or a pronoun, while the predicate part of the sentence tells something about the subject or what the subject does. It contains a verb. Let's see the example. Larry writes poetry. So over here you can see this is the subject part. Why? Because as you have seen that subject contains a noun or a pronoun. So this word Larry is a noun. So this is a subject part, while writes poetry, writes over here is a verb, so it will be a predicate part. Subjects and predicates have different types, that is, simple subject, complete subject, and compound subjects. And simple predicate, complete predicate, and compound predicates. We will see each type in detail. Now we will see each type in detail. So what is a simple subject? A simple subject is a noun or a pronoun without any modifier. A modifier can be an adjective. Let's look at the examples. Johnny sat by himself. So you see over here Johnny is a single subject without any adjective or determiners. So this is a simple subject. Next one is he loves to play soccer. Again, there is a pronoun which is taken as a subject and there is no other modifier. So it will be called as a simple subject. Now let's see what is a compound subject. When a sentence has more than one subject, it will be a compound subject. For example, zombies and vampires are monsters. So you see there are two subjects, there are two nouns, that is zombies and vampires. So together they make a compound subject. Next one is complete subject. What is a complete subject? A complete subject is a subject with modifiers. Now we will see that a complete subject uh, have the adjectives and all the other modifiers can be there. Now let's look at the example. The little old man walked with a cane. So over here you can see the is an article or determiner, little and old are the adjectives, and then comes the noun. So together they make a complete subject. Next one is the boy with the blue shirt waved at me. The boy with the blue shirt. It makes a complete subject. So this will be a complete subject. Now we will see different types of predicate. So the first type is simple predicate. A simple predicate is a single action of the subject. For example, Ahmed threw him the ball. So you can see over here there is only one action that the subject did. He threw. So threw is a simple predicate. Now what is a compound predicate? When a sentence subject has more than one action, it is referred to as a compound predicate. For example, Ali and his brother went to the park and played frisbee. So you can see there are two actions. One is went and the other is played. So together they make a compound predicate. Now what is the complete predicate? A complete predicate is with the helping verb, it's all modifiers and main verbs in a sentence. In predicate parts, modifiers will be adverbs. In subject part, modifiers are the adjectives, and in predicate part, modifiers will be the adverbs. So let's look at the example. Lily was quickly running. So you can see was is a helping verb, quickly is an adverb, and running is the main verb. So from was till running, they make a complete predicate. I hope you're clear about the subject and predicate. Here is a small quiz for you. Number 1. Write a sentence having a simple subject and a simple predicate. Write a sentence having a compound subject and a compound predicate. And write a sentence having a complete subject and a complete predicate. So you can write this in your notebook. Students, if you still have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.